What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks, guys. We got a special one today. We got a little bit of a story to tell as well. You guys know the deal. It's the Travis Scott medium olives, the Jordan 1 lows. I'm excited for the shoe. We got a story to tell about it. All right, as you guys can see here, here's the box for the medium olives. Now, here's a crazy story. All right, crazy story alert. You guys know me. I own a good amount of Travis Scotts. I should make a video showcasing all the Travis Scotts that I have. I got some heat when it comes to the Travis Scott collections. I got some cool Travis Scotts, but I've always taken L's on Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows and Jordan 1s in particular. I went for the raffle when this shoe first came out on the Travis Scott website. I went for the raffle, the size 14, by the way. I went for the raffle on the Travis Scott website. I won the raffle, and then that just so happened to be the day that I was exhausted. I fell asleep. I completely forgot about the raffle. I wake up from my nap. You won. Congratulations. So I go and click on the checkout for these things, and it was sold out, and I completely missed it, man. And I could have crashed out. I could have crashed out and said, you know what? This is my shoe. I'm going to buy it right now, pay tons of resale. But I didn't. I waited, and I kind of forgot about them at that point. But then we had the Black Friday thing going on with GOAT, and I just randomly went for it. I wasn't even at my house. I was away from home. I went for them. I wasn't even expecting to win. Like, I was like taking my sweet time. I wasn't even trying because I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get a W. And I got a W. I got a W on them. So I paid about $233 for these shoes. Obviously, it's not retail, but I'll take it, man. So taking off the lid, as you guys can see here, they got the Nike logo and stuff like that. I'm extremely hyped at the fact that I got this shoe. So we'll take it, man. I'll take it, man. We got him, and patience is key in life. So a lesson learned right there. Hey, I stayed patient, and it came out clutch. We got him, boys. We got him. I know a lot of you guys got some cool stuff. I got some comments saying you guys got some cool things, Travis Scott's during the Black Friday deal, and these are one of them. I got the Jumpman Jacks. You guys can check out that unboxing if you guys got them from the Black Friday GOAT thing. Make sure you guys check out my Jumpman Jack video because I got those from the Travis Scott website. But here it is when you open it up. Got our GOAT sticker or GOAT stamp of approval or whatever. And yeah, let me just get the shoes out real quick. So obviously we got the lace. Man, this is crazy. Oh man. Oh, by the way, check out my main channel, Jex Gaming. That's why you guys see that behind me. Check out my main channel, Jex Gaming. Link will be in the description down below. But yes, we got it. All right, so we get 2 or 3 spare laces. We get a black pair, as you guys can see here. Comes with all black. We also have this pair, which I'm definitely going to use. We have a pink pair, which is awesome. And I thought we would have gone to olive color, but it looks like we don't. So it looks like we just get the black, the pink, and then the white that comes with the shoe. And here's a look at the shoe, guys. Look at that right there. Cactus right here. Cactus Jack right there, man. That's so fire. Here's the front. Now, another Jordan 1 low that I need. I need it. If you guys know me. Oh, yo, hey. Yeah, I noticed this. What is this all about, GOAT? What is this all about, GOAT? Hopefully I can get that off. I don't know what that's all about. But hey, I'm happy I got the shoe, so I can't complain, right? I really can't. But so yeah, one Travis Scott that I need. If you guys know me, if you guys been subscribed to my main channel, Jex Gaming and Jex Kicks, you guys know my favorite color is yellow/gold. Canary yellows or something like that. I can't remember the name, but those I need. I'm gonna get those, guys. Stay tuned. That I will have an unboxing of that shoe very, very soon. I will definitely get that shoe. I'll wear it with my Supreme work jacket, the yellow one, the blue and yellow one. That thing is fire. I need it. I need those Travis Scotts because yellow is my favorite color, man. Look at this. Also notice got a little bit of a bump right here with the little. I don't know what that's all about. But these are completely new, and so yeah, they're definitely new for sure. So that's good. Here's the right shoe. Look at that. Now I'll probably get some red laces to throw on these, and then I'll use pink laces on the other shoe. Let me know like what lace swap do you guys have? Do you guys just stick with the white laces? black laces, or do you guys go crazy, put some crazy laces? Like, I plan on probably using red for the right shoe and then pink for the left shoe. I probably will. Or I might just go pink on one shoe and black on the other. We'll see what I'll do. But yeah, we have the shoe, man. Here it is. Here's the inside of it. Now, I don't plan on wearing the shoe right away. If you guys know me, I always throw my shoes on feet, but it takes a minute for me. And especially with this shoe. If I go out to a populated area, I see so many people with this shoe. There's so many people. Like, this is probably one of the most, I know it is. Like, we've seen it all over like Twitter and stuff like that. This is one of the most stocked Travis Scott's Jordan 1s that there's been. Like, this one's really up there. So every time I go somewhere where that it's super populated, I see a whole bunch of people wearing these. So I'm the type of guy that if I wear a shoe, I want to be like kind of the only person wearing them. So I probably won't throw these on feet for another year or so, and then I'll probably throw them on feet. Maybe I'll get excited and I'll just throw them on feet in a couple months from now. We'll see to start off the new year. But yeah, I probably will throw them on later on. But like there's still a lot of shoes that I've not worn yet. Like the bread reimagines, I haven't worn those yet. The Travis Scott, the what are those called? I can't remember what they're called right now. I can't think of the name right now. There's a lot of shoes that I still haven't worn yet. Just waiting for the right timing. But once I get the right timing, I'll definitely wear them sooner than later. But yeah, so that's the shoe. Let me show off some more detail for you guys. Here's a look at the tongue that you guys can see there. Really nice. You guys can see the insole as well. Really cool. And yeah, so like I said, this came from the GOAT Black Friday, thingamajig they had going on. And the quality looks amazing, except for this. This is the only gripe I have, but other than that, looks really nice. Here's the right shoe again, just so you guys can see. And then, oh yeah, they got this. I don't know what this is all about too. I don't know what that's all about. So it is what it is, but it looks very good. And here's the tongue again, really cool. And here's the inside of the shoe as well, right there, with the white laces as well. So hey, I'm really glad that I got this shoe. I mean, I originally had this shoe for retail and I unfortunately fell asleep, but hey, things happen in life and like I don't be tripping because it's like, I got much more things to be blessed about than some shoes. So at least I got them eventually and I'm very happy about that. And yeah, I'm definitely going to do that soon, guys. I will be probably making my Travis Scott collection video soon. Now that I have these, or I might wait until I get the yellow joints. I might wait until I get those because those I definitely want to get. Oh man, I forgot. And the Jumpman Jacks, the brown ones. I have all the other Jumpman Jacks except for that one, so I got to get that one. So we'll hold off on that video. But once I get those two shoes, then you guys can expect me to do my Travis Scott collection video because I got some cool stuff, man. I got some things that people want to see. So yeah, so this was a really cool video. I'm so glad I was finally able to make this video. If you guys literally just check out my last video that I posted, I talked about this whole situation. So the fact that almost a month later we're here, it's lit, man. It's lit, man. So let me know what you guys got for the Black Friday GOAT deal in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel for more shoe unboxings. I got a lot more, especially within the new year, guys. I got some heat dropping, guys. You guys do not want to miss it. You guys do not want to miss it, guys. Stay tuned. And we got some Supreme stuff too. I know next week there's gonna be some new box logos dropping, so I'm gonna definitely try to get my hands on one of those so I can, probably rock them out with these and some other stuff. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.